18. Compliments and praises. Basic patterns. You did a good job. Most of that was luck. You have really good taste. I am so jealous of you. That's a nice car you have there. You're looking good. That shirt really becomes you. You have excellent manners. I salute your efforts. You're the best in the business. You're the envy of the town. You look good in red. You've done a good job with this house. Keep up the good work. I love the way you make me laugh. Dialogue 1.
I just finished grading your test, Bobby.
Oh no, did I fail?
No, why do you think that?
It was a very hard test.
Actually, I wanted to congratulate you.
Me? Why?
You got the highest grade in the class.
Really? That's amazing.
You did a good job, Bobby.
I did study hard.
I can tell. I hope you study as much for the next test.
I will, Mrs. Fisher, I will. Dialogue 2.
Hey, James, I haven't seen you in a while.
It's been a few months since we last saw each other.
You look good.
I've been exercising a lot.
I'm jealous. I should exercise as much.
It's some hard work.
I can imagine, but you look a lot bigger, too.
I know. I got tired of being so skinny.
Well, the improvement really shows.
Stop, you're embarrassing me.
Okay, Mr. Muscles.
You're right. You are jealous. Dialogue 3. That was a pretty good game today.
Yeah, I didn't think we were going to win, but we did.
You were playing pretty good. Good job.
Most of that was luck. I wasn't playing as well as you were.
Don't be so humble. You won the game for us.
We all won the game.
You're just saying that to be modest.
Well, we still have to practice.
Yes, that is the only way to keep winning.
And keep me on the team because I'm so good.
I liked it better when you were humble.
I'm only kidding. Let's go celebrate our win.
Good idea. Dialogue 4. I am so jealous of you.
Why do you say that?
Because every day you always wear something good.
Really? I just throw on anything I can find.
That's not true. You have really good taste.
Do you think so?
Yes, I do. Maybe you could go shopping with me sometime.
Okay, that might be fun.
You could help me pick out some good clothes.
Can you go this Saturday?
Yes, that would be perfect.
I'll give you a call.
Dialogue 5.
Wow, that's a nice car you have there.
Thanks. It's a 1965 Corvette.
I know. I bet that was expensive.
It was, but it's been a dream all my life to have one.
It looks like you keep it in good condition.
I come out every Sunday and clean it for about an hour.
I would too if I had a car like that.
You want to take it for a drive?
Oh no, I wouldn't trust myself with the car that nice.
I can understand that. How about I drive and you can come along for the ride?
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay, get in and fasten your seatbelt. Substitution drills. 1. I just finished grading your test, Bobby. I just finished marking your test, Bobby. I just finished checking your test, Bobby. I just finished correcting your test, Bobby. 2. It was a very hard test. It was a very difficult test. It was a very challenging test. It was a very easy test. 3. You got the highest grade in the class. You got the best grade in the class. You got the worst grade in the class. You got the lowest grade in the class. 4. It's been a few months since we last saw each other. It's been a few months since we last met. It's been a few months since we last ran into each other. It's been a few months since we last have seen each other. 5. I got tired of being so skinny. I got tired of being so frail. I got tired of being so small. I got tired of being so thin. 6. Well, the improvement really shows. Well, the improvement is evident. Well, the improvement can be seen. Well, the improvement is obvious. 7. Good job. Well done. Fine work. Outstanding. 8. Don't be so humble. Don't be so modest. Don't be so meek. Don't be so arrogant. 9. Well, we still have to practice. Well, we still have to prepare. Well, we still have to train. Well, we still have to work. 10. Let's go celebrate our win. Let's go celebrate our victory. Let's go celebrate our triumph. Let's go celebrate our success. 11. I just throw on anything I can find. I just put on anything I can find. I just wear anything I can find. I just try on anything I can find. 12. You could help me pick out some good clothes. You could help me select some good clothes. You could help me choose some good clothes. You could help me decide on some good clothes. 13. That's a nice car you have there. That's a nice automobile you have there. That's a nice vehicle you have there. That's a nice truck you have there. 14. It was, but it's been a dream all my life to have one. It was, but it's been a goal all my life to have one. It was, but it's been a desire all my life to have one. It was, but it's been an ambition all my life to have one. 15. It looks like you keep it in good condition. It looks like you keep it well maintained. It looks like you keep it running. It looks like you keep it in good shape. Monologue. Some people in America like to buy antique cars. Antiques are old things, and antique cars are at least 25 years old. Steve's car is expensive, both because it is old and very fast. Some antique cars are rare and difficult to find. For some, it can be an expensive hobby. For most people, antique cars can be affordable, but they require a lot of work. People who enjoy working on cars can buy a car in poor condition at a low price. They then work on the car for a while to improve it. Some people take great pride in their cars and spend much time keeping them clean and in good condition. The best cars can even win prizes in antique car shows.